my lips. So
A silver alert has been issued for Glendale PD. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Glendale PD is looking for Hilda McGready, 85 years old, 5 foot 02 inches, 152 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes. Last seen wearing a light-colored shirt, dark-colored skirt, and red socks. Hilda was driving a black 2016 Kia Sedona bearing IL/CC 93201. There is no key, so if vehicle stops it will shut off. Hilda went missing from Arrowhead Towne Center. Today at 12:40 p.m. Hilda suffers from memory issues. If you see Hilda or have any information, please call Glendale PD. If you have contact with the Silver Alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.